Happy 4th of July!
Watermelon go boom, am I right?
No!
Hey! Hey, Nerval! What's with all the patriotic decorations and exploding watermelons?
Is that?
Not on my watch.
It's not a powdered wit. It's a bird's nest. Back in the 17s, our founding fruit fathers wore bird's nests like this one.
Some life.
On Bird's Nest Day.
Fruit to what you say?
Bird's Nest Day. It's the most important fruit holiday there is.
Fruit to what you say?
No, it's called Bird's Nest Day.
Never heard of it. School? Oh,
Benjamin Franklin once said,
He is broken in half!
Bird's Nest Day is when we celebrate the freedom of our bird nation. The greatest bird nation that ever existed. It all started fruit and still is used primarily.
gross.
Birds were under the tyrannical rule of King Grapefruit. George.
Because you're grapefruit. I'm not grapefruit. I'm a bad fruit.
And a hernia.
Let's get out of here.
Dinner.
No one survived.
The end. That's it? That's the
YouTube poop.
That was Jeep Cycles! I'm gonna run away! That's what I'll do! Run away! This isn't over until I say it's over! Really? Yes! Hooray!
Stop!
So, if everyone got eaten, how did our ancestors get eaten?
Oh, that's nasty.
King Grapefruit heard tell of the good life the birds were living in the New World.
They think they get away with it? Who's your daddy now?
In the summer of 76, 17, Orange Bird had enough.
I've had enough.
Poop.
That all bird created equal. Oh yeah, that's good.
Let's get some!
Dinner.
They all got eaten.
Again?
Again.
Done.
No. Ah! Now we're done. 1 if by seagull, 2 if by land.
Three, two, one, go!
I surrender!
After nearly 81, 17 years of seed warfare,
Orange Bird do solemnly swear to uphold the office of bird president.
and he paved the way for future bird race leaders like Abraham Lincoln Bird and
Joe Hendry. I believe in Joe Hendry.
it was a one presidency.
Wow! Whatever happened to him?
Oh,
He's dead.
yoink!
You're a little too heavy, buddy.
Yeah!
We're going down.
It was nice knowing you.
Birds
Later.
FYI, not my fault.